you got cooking smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
Hey nieces and nephews, this is not the video I was supposed to give to you tonight, but we got lucky. The church was doing a late night food giveaway. So I've got a food pantry haul to bring to you right now. All right, starting from the left to the right. You're not gonna believe this. We actually got a really healthy food pantry haul, except for the eggnog. I got some holiday eggnog. Now, I want to see the date on this because I don't know about that. I'm going to see about this, okay. But it looks good. But always use your senses. Sniff, taste, make sure it's good. All right. Ooh, we got some all-purpose sugar. 0 calories. I'll see how this tastes. And I'm also going to see if it's diabetic friendly, okay. I got some chicken legs. Oh, look at that. They gave us some hot dogs. Look, Halloween stuff. What's in the bag? It's candy. That's always good. It's pretzels. Yeah, they're still good. Got some diamond pine nuts. Oh, I'm so glad I got these. I'm going to show you what I'm going to make with these. It's very important. Now, we got some, what is this, chicken flavored rice. Now, I may not use this because of the salt content. I'm going to see. Got some, what is this? Pretzels, cheddar, puffs. This must be something new. Wow. Got some sun-dried cranberries. Oh, yeah. Got some chips, some tostadas. That's good. Sesame hamburger buns. Oh, yeah. I'm going to make some. They're like little sliders. Guys, want me to make some sliders? Just like White Castle? I'm going to show you, okay? Oh, cool. We got some wheat bread. I got 2 of them. That is so cool. And they're nice and fresh and soft. I also got some plant-based, I believe these are protein bars. But I'm going to show you how to make your own, okay? And they're easier than this. Much easier. Yeah, I'll make my own. And they gave some hair clips. Well, why not? We got some Propel water. I got 3 of those. Let's see. Get this in. Oh, berry. Yeah, that's going to be good. Some tomato sauce. 2 of those. Sliced carrots. Oh, you know what? I'm going to make some split pea soup. Definitely. Some sparkling diet soda, cola. Oh, some more of these granola bars. And oh, cream of cocoa. I'm going to show you dishes you can make with this. I should make a shrimp dish. Got some turkey gravy. 3 cans of corn. Oh, yeah. 2 pink salmon. So you know what I'm going to do with that. Oh, we got some black beans. All reduced sodium. Love these. Some Chips Ahoy. Oh, well, those aren't too healthy. But you know what? You got to have a little cheat. 5 apples. Some spinach. Oh, yeah. Crisp lettuce. Yep. And what's this? Oh, strawberry cereal. That'll be for Jay. Yeah, he'll like that. Let's see, what's this one? Shells and cheese. Yep. Once again, that'll be for Jay. Put it in his lunch. Oh, wow, look at this. I got some mushrooms. I'm going to use that in a dish. I better use these quick. They're like at the end of their thing. And I got a vegetable tray. Look at that. Guys, this was so unexpected, and I'm so glad we got this tonight. So I can at least bring you something here. All right, look at that. You know what? You can be healthy at the food pantry. You just got to try. I'm so glad they had this food giveaway tonight. You know what? I'm going to post down below some resources you guys can go to find food if you're missing food. I got a house full of people because we just came from the church. Now listen, write to me and let me know what you want to have me fix. I am going to do some diabetic friendly recipes, okay? And heart healthy as well. Tomorrow, I think I'm going to redo my video, make the soda pop, and remake that casserole if I can, or at least show you how it ended up. I still got that footage. All right. Big love from Uncle Chris. Write to me, Uncle Chris, the Food Pantry Chef, at gmail.com, okay? Like, comment, subscribe, and if you want to give me a special thanks, give me a special thanks. I really do appreciate it, okay? All right. I love you guys. Write to me.
Uncle Chris, what you got cooking smells so good. Everyone's looking.